Okay, so what are you doing, Xander?
Trying to put things in holes where they don't go. No, I'm trying to line up the little clips on the door panel to actually go in the holes on the door.
Yep. So in case we forgot to view our video, I apologize, guys. So we have our new trim piece in, like it's supposed to be.
There was one hole I didn't have to drill, and it was that one. I used that one, but all these other ones were drilled.
Yeah, I knew we were gonna have to. I had a feeling, because I mean, oh, and when you put that screw down, we forgot to put that back in over here on this end.
What?
So we got to put that little small screw in for right there.
Yeah.
So we've got that to do real quick. You're lining up the door panel to get that back into place, which looks so much better. Yeah, William, just know we really do love your car a lot.
I do, because I love Mustangs.
Yeah. So we already did that one. We did that one. This one's now all finished and in. And here is our old one. So I'm gonna trash that with the rest of them. This one's gonna be a short video because now I'm gonna go do the other one, get that taken care of. And I think by that point, we're probably gonna be ready for lunch because it's going on 2 o'clock and we haven't stopped all day. So on that note, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, what do we say?